Here we are, we're on the way. I made a little hood pop so I can get no water on my joints since I couldn't get a hood in time. Ooh. Yeah, but we're just waiting on one more. My other boy Nando, and we out. Ugly ass boy. Where was that Hday, bruh? Where was that Hday, bruh? You already see the races over there, so we about to see what's good. I'm so excited right now, but I'm not sure if I show her the tickets or what, but yeah, I'll get with y'all. I know. I know.
Lowest price of $125.
I know, right? You should have never got rid of it.
If I run one, me and old Hday went wide open down 81 that day.
Yeah, I know, I'm looking at it, Joe. Yo, yo, look at that shit. I know. Damn. Damn. Yeah, this joint looks crazy. Damn. Yeah, full Recaro. I have a baby. I have a new baby. We got daddy duties. Hey yo, look at these TSXs, bro. Oh, this thing's clean too. Bone stock EG. No, but this TSX fire. Go that way. There's so many yellow whips, bro.
They look clean.
Yeah, this side looks fire, but this is that's a wrap. This side. Oh, look at that dude. Hey, Gorda. How you doing, Gorda? Hey, Pink G6.
Right there, just past the Applebee's floorboard, you will have your full check inspection right there.
I don't know, bro. Which one? Yeah, I'm talking about those. Yeah, I'm trying to get some of those type of stickers on my car. This thing is fire. Oh, 280Z. Yeah, this thing's fire. There's hella cars back there. That's all parking though. My man's got his girl in the other EF. What? Oh yeah, this is a new Type R.
You gotta make sure to have everything that you'll require to have with your check. Use wheel, good like probably that.
Yeah. No, but that thing is really clean. We got the van in the jump. Yo, that's not a Honda. That show's not a Honda.
El aire en la goma, en los carros se pesa, pero tú no lo ves. Tú de me porque te brillan de nada de lo mío, me sale al revés. Vivo sin detrás como corrido, voy a buscar un tiro de tres.
Yo, chill, it's not a Type R.
I've been here like I've probably been here since
Which one? Oh, I think it's clean. Oh, look at the wagon.
El productor de oro.
Oh yeah, this thing is lowered. Oh, bro, we almost about to go. I just realized that. Hey, we gotta get going. Let me get in my car real quick. I just got a picture with Daniel. Woo, that's crazy. Oh yeah, we about to go in, baby. Been a minute, but we've been sitting for almost 2 hours and a half, but it's all good. We're almost in. Man, this thing is packed. Got my boy Scooby right here. Man, I got all the homies from Goop Bridge by the race. About to be lit. Yes, sir. I got my homie parked next to me. Consejo. This little goofy. We got the setup. Oh, what is that? Oh, shoot. Yes, sir. Homie over here came in clutch with the zip ties. Oh, this is mine. Look at the setup. We got the setup. Waiting for more people to come. And then I don't know what that dude bitching about. But yeah, this is the setup, boy. In a little bit when I'm done, we about to go watch the races. So, damn, boy. What flavor you got?
We got strawberry. What's the other ones?
Let's go. You're not a Honda. Get your ass out of here. Damn, bro. Look at all these. Oh yeah, that Integra's clean, bro.
They don't really look for the racers. I'm not gonna see them.
What you want to see?
My boys here.
Your boys racing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Jocelyn wants to get nigga. She wants to get it.
Jocelyn? Oh, you're Jocelyn.
I mean, you probably already know it's the Mexican chick that's always in.
Yeah.
I can tell him. Right? I didn't tell him.
You told me already.
No, I didn't tell you. Shit, bro. This is clean.
Yeah. I don't like the Mugen valve cover. Damn, this EF. Oh, another EF. Oh, damn, it's a whole row of little EFs. No, but out of all of them, I'd rather get this one. Because I like the style this one has. Huh?
That's a real hookah right there.
Oh, damn. Damn, shit.
Top 10 car. Top 100.
Hell yeah, got the Scarface hookah. Dang.
Many runs in as possible can over the next 3 hours or so.
BT?
Yeah.
So is this what you're looking for? Or is it the other one?
Nah. I mean, this is a good motor too. I don't remember if that's the Type R motor or not.
Here at Hday Spring 2023. So,
Oh, they
from
brought it
11
here?
a.m.
Bro,
to about
that thing is famous.
12:45.
That thing was in a
So
lake.
here, actually right
Yeah.
now, we should be doing some ET bracket racing. And then at 11:30, around 11:30, we are going to be doing the first round calling. The first round calling for the possibility to win today's giveaway, which, if I'm not mistaken, is what was Miata?
Here's the 1 million Honda Accord mileage.
You got the low car limbo? Yes. So, my man over there will get a
This
second
thing
to
is
do the
clean
low car
and it's
limbo today,
manual.
and that will be at 2 p.m. So if you guys want to see the low car limbo, low car
This
limbo
thing's
will be
insane.
at
This
2
thing was in
p.m.
a
right
lake.
here in front of the lifestyle stage.
Dang, that's
And
crazy.
then at about 2 p.m. as well, we're going to do the first qualifying rounds for all heads up and index classes. At 2:30, we're going to be doing some finalizing of the car show. At 3:30, we'll do the second calling for those names that were not claimed. At 4 p.m., we have the second round of qualifying. At 4:30, we're going to be doing the final.
ain't winning nothing, boy. Yeah, this one's dope. K-Swap Beamer! Yeah. Yeah. Ah, fucking car.
Top of the racetrack, half a side, holding 7019, Kilo 2929.
Fire!
Ya le gusta y que no le gustan los carros en la carretera, por eso yo le digo chuchu. Pamela que no prende, no le gustan los carros en la carretera, por eso yo le digo chuchu. Pamela chuchu, Pamela chuchu, Pamela chuchu, Pamela chuchu, Pamela chuchu, Pamela chuchu, Pamela chuchu. No piradura. No piradura. Por favor no te vayas, Pamela, antes de irte chuchu. Pamela chuchu, Pamela chuchu, Pamela chuchu, Pamela chuchu, Pamela chuchu, Pamela chuchu.
For your first qualifier, you bring the music
Dang, they drove at the speakers everywhere.
Sorry, we will be going to guys to the station.
Yoshi! Got the 5-look swap, bright everything, bright seats. Yeah, this thing's fire, bro. Man, I miss my old 4-door Integra. Yeah, but I wouldn't have the SI.
That's true, but
Nah, I'll get another one. Man, this TL is nice. Oh, look at the tail light. I mean, the headlights, bro. Dang, this thing got a lot of.
how much did you spend on this car?
What do you mean? Damn, this thing's fire.
I didn't know.
Oh, look at this thing. This thing comes every year. What? What? That's the drive shaft. This thing's all-wheel drive. It's all-wheel drive, yeah. This one too. These are the rich niggas. Jesus. I know. Oh, nigga, that's Sonic. That's them. That's Sonic, bro. Yeah. When I saw New England, I was like, wait a minute, that's. Where's Alexi's at? Oh, sure enough, that's here.